Academy of Indian Marketing.
Thank you, Dr. Shiva. And first of all, I would like to thank each one of you who have made this journey possible for the 9th edition of the AIM AMA Shade Foundation Doctoral Consortium. This consortium is very special in many ways, but the main reason is that we are hosting this consortium despite all the difficulties of the pandemic. And this pandemic has created a havoc in our life. Many of our friends, family members, or colleagues, we have lost them in the process due to Corona. So I would like to have a 30-second silence to pay obeisance to the departed soul. Please join with me for 30 seconds. Thank you very much. In this pandemic, we lost our founding director, Rajiv Karwal, and along with that, many of our close colleagues like Kamal Singh from UNGC and YK Bhushan, who was the Chancellor of ICFI IBS, Devpratim Purkayas, Ritesh Tiwari, Jay Trivedi, Magza Jala, and at JAXOM also, we lost our revered faculty, Professor S.K. Chaudhary. So I welcome you all, esteemed faculty, the delegates to this 9th AMA Shade Foundation Doctoral Consortium. I'll keep my speech very short and run through the slides because we have to maintain the timeline. And I will urge all of you, those who are going to present their slides or presentation or give their talk, to kindly maintain the timeline given to all of you, because this is, we are doing online and we are very constrained by the time zone. This is the 9th edition of Jagdish Sheth School of Management hosting the AIM AMA Sheth Foundation Doctoral Consortium. Before this, we started this journey in 2012. The first was the Alliance University who hosted the first consortium. In 2014, IIM Ahmedabad hosted the second. 2015, IMT Dubai hosted the third one. Then fourth one was hosted by IMT Dubai again at 2016, IMT Ghaziabad, sorry. 2017, it was Walinkar in Mumbai. 2018, it was Walinkar in Bangalore. And 2019, it was MICA in Ahmedabad. And last year, in 2020, BIMTech hosted. And all these consortium, we hosted in physical. And most of the participating faculties and all the participants, they were present for the networking and for getting the best out of this faculty. But this year, it was a very challenging. First of all, we were thinking whether we will be able to host it or not. And as the time passed by, we didn't know that how the format is going to be with us. And after all, at the JAXOM, we decided that we will do it completely online. And this is, we have received tremendous response from faculty all over the world and from the participants also again from all over the world. So this is a truly imaginary things for us. And we have done so many trials and hope that this is going to be one of the most successful doctoral consortium, which we are going to host completely online. And for 2022, we don't know yet that what is going to be there during this pandemic, whether we will be able to host it in person, in physical, or it will be again online or a blended model. So we will come to that later on. We organize faculty development workshops, the conscious capitalism simulation workshops, competitions. Then Sheth Grant Research Proposal is also under the auspice of AIM. And we have also started AIM Parsuram Center for Service Excellence. I will explain few of the features of these workshops and the service center. So in 2018, we organized a 5-day workshop at Jindal Global Business School, and all the stalwarts like Jagdish Sheth, Vithala Rao, Deepak Jain, Arvind Rangaswamy, Raj Seturaman, Jaydeep Sengupta, Angela Lee, Leonard Lee, Murli Mantrala, Pradeep Chintagunta, P.K. Kannan, S. Sriram, Gary Leland, Shubha Srinivasan. They were our resource faculty in person over there for 5 days. This was one of the most prominent FDP we organized anywhere. The next one we organized on November 1 and 2 in 2018 at NITI, where Dr. Danish Shah and Neeraj Pandey led from the front. And this was an industry interaction, and it was on the consumer insight. So we had industry stalwarts like Prakash Nedungadi from Aditya Birla, Nitesh Priyadarshi from Unilever, Orange Shah from Godrej Consumer, Shyam Sundar Suri from Magus Dialogue, and Charles Assisi from Founding Fuel. The third one we organized was at IIM Calcutta, when Ajay Kohli was present over here, and he did one-day workshop on theory construction. And still I am getting regular feedback from the attendees that when we can have Ajay Kohli again for the theory construction workshop, because one-day workshop was not enough for them. And yes, last year Ajay Kohli was to come in July, but because of the pandemic, he couldn't travel and everything was closed down. So hopefully we will have one more session with Ajay Kohli sometime in near future. In 2020, February 6 and 7, we had a 2-day workshop on conducting and publishing high quality research in empirical modeling for marketing with Professor Venki Sharkar at IIM Lucknow, Noida campus. We also organized AIM Consortium Capitalism Simulation Competition workshop, which is being organized by Ernest Cadot and Professor Bindu Agarwal. And we also organize competitions for students and for universities and institutions. These are some glimpses. I'll just run through it. This is very important that we have instituted shared research grant for aspiring young scholars who want to publish, and sometimes they are constrained by fundings. So Shade Foundation in US is gracious enough to provide us a grant of US $10,000 every year from 2018 onwards. We invite proposal in consumer behavior, managerial, marketing, and analytics, and 2 best proposals in each of these areas after double-blind review are selected for a grant of rupees 1 lakh each, totaling 6 lakhs rupees every year. This has been successfully conducted in 2018, 2019, and 2020. I'll just show you some. On this slide, I'll share with you the data that how we have received the proposals. So in 2018, in consumer behavior, we received 34 papers. In managerial, we received 13, and marketing analytics, we received 5 papers. So total submission was 52. In 2019, consumer behavior, we received 51. In managerial marketing, 28. In marketing analytics, 8 papers. So total submissions was 87 papers. In 2020, we received consumer behavior again 52, managerial marketing 33, and marketing analytics 20 papers. So total submission was 105. You can see that how the jump is there evident in managerial and marketing analytics both, from 13 to 33 and from 5 to 20. And total submission has gone up by 100% from 52 in 2018 to 105 in 2020. These are some of the winners of 2018, 2019, and 2020 in all the 3 areas in consumer behavior, managerial marketing, and marketing analytics. I'll not read out their names because of the constraint of time, but all this information is available on our website, www.academyofindianmarketing.org. We are very much thankful to Professor Thomas Halt, who was ex-president of Shade Foundation, and Kari Hobson-Pape, executive director of Shade Foundation, who have been generous enough to provide us a grant of $10,000 every year from 2018, 2019, and 2020. And this year also we are going to get the grant. But there are some limitations by Foreign Action Board, which India, governed by Ministry of Home Affairs, and their clearance is yet to get for receiving the fund. We are thankful to Professor Varsa Jain for chairing the grant committee for 2018, 19, and 2020. And we are thankful to all the professors on the reviewing panel for all the 3 years who has done tremendous work behind the scene to select the 2 best. And we are also thankful to Professor S. Jaikar for managing the EasyChat submission process in all these 3 years of 2018, 19, and 2020. and Ms. Ishita Nagpal for volunteering and preparing the report. We have 41 institutions as our member. We are the apex body of all the top B schools in India. I'll not go through the names of these institutions, but I would like to mention one point over here, that ASESB board has accredited total of 14 business schools with their certification, and 12 out of these 14 ASESB accredited institutions belong to our membership. And Jagdish Sheth School of Management, or formerly IFIM, is one of them. So thank you, Professor Atish and Sanjay, for doing this great work to get the ASESB accreditation. I would also like to mention you about AIM Parshuraman Center for Service Excellence, which we have instituted over here at IFIM. And Sanjay Padhote has been gracious enough to provide us with space and manpower to run this center. This center was inaugurated in 2019 July. But because of the pandemic, we couldn't carry out more activities over here, and we would like to have more participation from all of you who are interested joining with us in this journey. And Professor Parshuraman is leading us the way, and he is very much involved with this center personally, and we launched the Service Excellence Index in 2019 July, and more work is to be done in this area. These are the glimpses of the inauguration of the Service Excellence Center. I would like to now tell you something about a very important incident which happened recently. And I phrase this quote: your commitment will make you a great scholar, but your humbleness will make you a great human being. Now, why this quote and why at this time? Just I'll spend 30 seconds over here that on 19th of June, Dr. Sheth received a mail from V. Kumar, or VK, what we call him fondly. And he wrote in the mail that, Jack, I'm on my way to India because my father has died and I have to complete his last rites over there. So, but he also mentioned that I know I have a masterclass to conduct on June 27th, and I will ensure that gets done. As the AIM Doctoral Consortium is close to our heart, and that is why my dad also would have preferred, given his constant encouragement, VK. This was his words. And I would like to emphasize over here that VK, you know, everybody knows that he is a great scholar because of his commitment to the discipline. But this is the humbleness which shows the other side of a great human being. And a commitment like this towards the doctoral consortium, it gives so much of power to all of you that this kind of scholars are always with you to mentor you, to provide you all kind of help very eagerly, despite any kind of adversities and adversaries. Even Christine Moorman also wrote us a mail that she has undergone a surgery and she will be able to, despite that, she will be able to join for the Global Cafe. So these are the great scholars, and look at their humbleness. I'm very sure that all of you will find so much of content very rich, and you will also learn from their personal life and personal experiences to make you even a great scholar and a great human being. I would like to conclude here. Thank you very much. And I am sure that in next 5 days, you will have so much to learn from this great, great faculty who have come across from all over the world. I would now invite Mr. Sanjay Padhote to take over from here. Thank you very much.